Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to see your Excel formulas as a text in your cell. Many times we want to show the formula to others. So how to do that here in Excel? Let us see. For example, I want to add all the rows of this cell. I'll just drag and select everything and press enter. So once I do that, you can see it is showing 501. So once I select that cell also, you cannot see the formula here. You can only see in this bar, formula bar. So if at all you want to show formulas, for example, if I do the same thing to all other columns here, then you probably cannot see all the formulas what are here. So unless you click here and go to the formula bar, you cannot see the formula. So here what I'll do is, the very cell where I want to see the formula, I'll just select all these cells and you can go to this tab called formulas, and here you can see there is something called show formulas. So once you click on show formulas, it will show the formula in text form, not exactly in text, but it will show in letters. That is equal to sum B2 to B8 is equal to sum C2 to C8, all these things. So you don't need to click here to see the formula here. You can directly go here and press show formulas. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this was quite useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very simple and easy technique. And please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.